How to check if all values in a data frame are true. pd.dataframe.all and pd.dataframe.any convert to bool all values and then assert all identities with the keyword true. This is okay as long as we are fine with the fact that non-empty lists and strings evaluate to true. However, let's assume that this is not the case. A workaround is to assert equality with true, but a comparison to true does not sound Pythonic. Question: can we assert for identity with true without using == true?
I would actually use. This way, you're checking for the value of the object, not just checking the truthiness of it. This seems perfectly Pythonic to me because you're explicitly checking for the value of the object, not just whether or not it's a truthy value.
First of all, I do not advise this. Please do not use mixed dtypes inside your data frame columns. That defeats the purpose of data frames and they are no more useful than lists and no more performant than loops. Now, addressing your actual question, spoiler alert, you can't get over the ==. But you can hide it using the EQ function. You may use or. Note that. Which you may find useful if you want to convert non-true values to false for any other reason.
Спасибо.